Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're well. Today we're going to look at how to use projects in ChatGPT. So projects are like workspaces that you can create for specific things that you are working on. So it might be something like an exam you're getting ready for or a holiday you're planning for. You can create a dedicated workspace for each thing so you don't lose the information with like hundreds of different chats on the left. So I'll show you how to get started. So on the left, you click on projects. Okay, so you write the title of your project. So it might be summer holiday, or it could be something like exam prep. So you want ChatGPT to help you get ready for your upcoming exam. So you could create a project for that and you can keep all the information in one place. So you create the project. Once you create the project, you can see it under your projects on the left side of the screen. You can click the three dots if you want to rename it or delete the project. When you want to work on it, you can see it here, click on it, and you can do some different edits here to the project settings. So say if you're getting ready for a science exam, you could give ChatGPT specific instructions to act like my science teacher, ask me in-depth questions, and so on, so on. Once you've done that, press save, and from then on, ChatGPT will act like your science teacher and give you more in-depth answers. So that's it for today. That's how to create a project in ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.